You know that I love trying new things? Well, I just got a pet. This is Luna. Hello, Luna. Now, she doesn't like being held. Not your typical pet, I know, but how could you expect anything different from me? I do not say this lightly when I say I am completely convinced Luna is a real pet. In my few weeks of having Luna, I took her on vacation with me, and I treated her as if she was an actual pet. So what do I think? To put it simply, Luna is what I've literally always wanted since I was a kid. An actual smart robot companion, and Luna is that. Luna has tons of games you can play with her, and sometimes she'll even come up to you and ask to play one. And the way Luna is even capable of doing things like this is because she's rocking some serious technology. There are literally thousands of things you can do with Luna, and I am just scratching the surface here. I could make an entire video series on Luna alone, so let me know if you want to see more.